tell us one super tip on how to get started in real estate investing.
Sure. It'll be tough if your audience will think of this as a super tip, but it's essentially just do it. You know, I know when I was thinking about it, I hum and hawed for years about it. I was nervous about it. I didn't feel like I knew what I was doing. It's easier now than when I started because there's so much information out there. Maybe that actually makes it harder in ways because there's so much to look at and you don't know where to go. So my super tip really is get started now. If you're nervous about it, go in with a friend. Co-investing is really good. You de-risk it a little bit. You have someone to help motivate you and guide you along. And if that's what it's going to take for you to get started, just get a friend and do it now.